Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the importance of deep sea mining. Why is this so? Well, on the ocean's floor, you can find critical minerals and commodities such as zinc, copper, cobalt, nickel, and a lot of the items required to make batteries, electronics, and advanced manufacturing. What could be more important? So a recent event is that the American Ocean Mining Corporation is merging with Odyssey Marine Exploration, which is about a $1 billion deal and is looking to take this from concept to commercialization. Where we're going is a fully integrated supply chain that's from the seabed to processing. Why is this important? Well, China dominates this field today, and we need to be finding ways to take better control over our end-to-end supply chain, as we are only as strong as the weakest link in our supply chain. And we are dependent on critical minerals for almost everything, certainly everything essential. So what should we be taking away? Looking at your end-to-end supply chain, determining your dependencies, and looking at ways to form strategic partnerships, vertically integrate, and or find ways to secure your end-to-end supply chain.